Hey Randall, how's my boy doing? Randall, are you eating your kitty food? Randall, come here, boy. I love you, buddy. If you're new here, don't forget to like and subscribe because Randall is eating his lunch. See you later. Peace. Goodbye.